Just want to show you how to use chopsticks. Just hold one chopstick like you hold a pencil. Boom, boom. See? A, B, C. Then just bzzz, like that. And put the other one here. And on the just in between, just that like that. The nail. See, on the only the upper chopstick move. The lower one stays locked with 1, 2, 3 here, and thumb, the belly of the thumb, and this finger, whatever it's called, medicine finger. So it's locked. So only one upper chopstick move. Boom, 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 boom. With these two fingers, index finger and middle finger. With only index finger and middle finger move. See? The thumb locks. See? Stay firm. So you need to just push little with the thumb like that. Lock it. If it's loose, the thumb's loose, you cannot move the upper one, nor you cannot lock firm the lower chopstick. So now you know how to do it, but if you're doing wrong for many years, it's very difficult to change the old habit. You just need to practice the correct way like this. So you can pick noodles like this. You can even pick one or two. You can pick lots of noodles. You can pick small